Microsoft is launching its modern Microsoft Mesh mixed reality platform, and part of the declaration incorporates a brief demo of Pokemon Go running on the HoloLens 2 headsets. So, welcome to Tech Insight. Before we continue, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Niantic has collaborated with Microsoft to create this proof-of-concept version of Pokemon Go, illustrating what might be possible for the game in the future. The demo shows how HoloLens users might spot a Pokemon in the wild and bolster its berries ahead of a typical gym fight with another player. There's a menu that HoloLens users tap to access diverse parts of Pokemon Go, but Niantic stresses that it's not a dedicated app or prepared for consumers yet. While this demo isn't planning for consumer use, it offers an early glimpse into long-standing time advancements in both software and hardware, says John Hank, CEO and founder of Niantic. We've only scratched the surface. We know there is a long time ahead to be filled with vital achievements, which will serve as waypoints in AR's whole journey to become a life-changing computer platform. Someday, possibly, you will be playing Pokemon Go in a park, and a friend will discover you and ask to join. But they'll be somewhere else, and your friends will join you as a hologram. You will play side by side. Will they be in your space, or will you be in their space? How precisely will that work? Pokemon Go characterized the idea of real-world mobile location-based gaming back in 2016, and got to be recognized as augmented reality's killer app because of its worldwide popularity. Its developer, Niantic, has been amplifying into more immersive tests, an organization with immersed theater company Punch Drunk and a collaboration with Qualcomm on concepts for future King glasses. Niantic moreover reported it is an early partner with Microsoft's new collaborative AR/VR telepresence innovation, Microsoft Word, and will be utilizing the HoloLens 2 to test out playing the game in AR between people wearing headsets. Hank showed up on Microsoft's Virtual Ignite organization as a portion of the company's work launch. Microsoft's Mesh is the computer program maker's new mixed reality platform for developers, powered by Azure. It's a collaborative platform that permits anybody to have a shared virtual experience on various gadgets, and Microsoft is trusting it'll encourage developers to make more mixed reality apps. AR headsets are distinctive from phones, both in terms of tech and mysticism. In a discussion over Zoom, Niantic founder and CEO John Hank admits that the exploration is an explore right now. The experiences that they construct, they expect a world where there are different headsets in the market. They are aiming to be multiple platforms, and they need to induce our experiences out broadly, Hank says of the upcoming future of AR and mixed reality. I do not think we're at the point where there's one ecosystem to rule them all. Hank sees the HoloLens 2 as one of the most excellent ways to test out our experiences that will inevitably run on other savvy glasses. It's an extraordinary opportunity for us to get in truly early and work on this stuff. Niantic already has AR and world map shared experiences on its phone apps. Still, Hank acknowledges that doing the same thing on a headset includes a diverse perception and interaction type. What has Microsoft not done much of with HoloLens? Owing to restrictions in the hardware itself is outdoor stuff, Hank says, and Niantic is testing the HoloLens 2 by pairing it with phones to urge the flexible connection and GPS and utilizing them in places comparable to where phones are used. Holding up your phone and seeing through the screen is one thing, but after you have got the headset on and the Pokemon are all around you and they're 12 feet tall, it's just mysterious. Hank's on-stage Microsoft Ignite appearance using VR showed Microsoft mixed reality head Alex Kipman and Hank showing up together, Hank beaming in from San Francisco Park. Kipman beams over to Hank, and after that, a concept of what Pokemon Go in AR may look like is briefly shown. Hank says the objective is to work out key concepts in how people would connect. What happens when someone reports in from somewhere else? And what do they see? What do you share? It's exceptionally much a tool for us to explore with anticipating future development that would be, more appropriate for outdoor customer use. AR-savvy glasses appear like they're being created from different tech world corners, from Facebook to Qualcomm, to conceivably Apple, Samsung, and Google, and quite possibly at some point, Microsoft. But the social variations of AR glasses haven't been figured out yet. Security issues haven't been overcome. Those contemplations in a game or somewhere else will need to be resolved. Microsoft's version of mixed realities and telepresence carries over to AR and VR, and even flat-screen phones and PCs. But Niantic tests its gameplay experience only on the HoloLens. Hank says, "Our focus was peer-to-peer on HoloLens. It's simpler from a conceptual point of view because everybody has the same set of presumptions and intuition. But hypothetically, you'll imagine a world where it ranges phones and AR and possibly even VR. But we have not discussed that Rubicon yet, the idea of playing with a holographic." Hank sees the idea of playing with a holographic friend as natural since, in a sense, we're all with virtual friends all the time, through audio. In our neighborhood, everyone is talking on the phone or tuning into a podcast. This idea of having companionship whereas you're out in the world is exceptionally very common. Taking that to another level, having that be a sort of holographic companionship whereas you're out, in a sense. It's novel and sci-fi, but in other ways, you're kind of already doing it. Niantic's partnership with the immersive theater company Punch Drunk focuses on more theatrical, social encounters that might be on the horizon as well. That area of live entertainment, considering about exploding that out into a mixed reality world, where you'll have individuals physically present, and at a performance, you may map the real show to your house and have genuine performances happening with holographic players. Individuals are truly fascinated by trying to figure it out, and I think that's super energizing. Things that have been kind of stale in the new tech world for a while. Typically like an entirely new set of toys, especially when individuals and co-presence are involved. It just sort of instantly gets exponentially more interesting. So that's all for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Insight Squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching!